Hey friends, if you wish to change the font size in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the accessibility tab. In the right pane select text size. You can increase or decrease the text size and then click on apply. Okay, I'll just make it 103% and I'll click on apply. Now this will apply to all the text in Windows 11 itself, but for individual applications like certain text editors, this may not work because they have their own size. For example, Microsoft Word has its own text size. You will have to change it from here. You cannot change it through Windows itself. That is for Windows settings, that is for components of Windows like File Explorer, etc. It is not for individual applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.